welcome to my video, and today I'm going to make something special for my final exam project. And don't forget, I say thank you very much to my honorable lecturer Miss Dhias for the excited final project who given to me. And I'm going to make tea cup bucket. It was very simple, easy and very unique. I'm gonna use old tea cup and make a sign for the main material. So let's get started.
I'm gonna use ceramic glue, scissor, flower foam, old teacup, magazine, toothpick, and paper glue. And then first I will start making a flower cut by folding the magazine into a triangle like this one. And then I will cut this triangle shape magazine into a beautiful flower shape. After I cut the semi-triangular into a flower shape, and I will keep this one first, and then I will continue to other flowers. After all the flowers are done, I will continue to cut the flower stalk to the next shape. I will keep both pieces of this flower until the next piece is finished. After all the pieces I collect, it's time to assemble the flower to form like the original flower stalk. For the first, I use glue paper to flower petals together with other petals. And then I will do the same things until the last flower's petal. After all the flowers are formed, next I will roll up one by one flower's petal to look more natural, and I will do the same things until the last flowers. After all the petals I roll next, I will make a flower arrangement to be a rose, and then I will use paper glue to arrange the flower petals until finished. After that, I stack one by one flower petals become a rose flower. After the last petal is installed, be a beautiful rose. After all the flower is ready, and I'm continue to coloring using an acrylic color, and then I will use a bottle cap to mix all the color. And then I will start to coloring using green color first. And then I continue to put yellow color to the next flower. And then continue with the red color. So this is a very interesting part that after all the flowers are finished colored, I will wrap them one by one above the cup to become a beautiful flower arrangement. Finally, a beautiful flower arrangement is over.
Don't forget to comment and like my video. Thank you for watching.